Planning a vacation can be expensive, but there are ways to save money without sacrificing fun. In this video, we're going to share 10 tips on how to save money on your next vacation that will make your trip more enjoyable and budget-friendly. Tip number 1. Book in advance. By booking early, you'll have more options and may be able to take advantage of early bird discounts. Tip number 2. Use budget airlines. Instead of flying first class or on major airlines, consider using budget airlines or booking through discount websites. Tip number 3. Stay in a vacation rental. Renting a house or apartment can often be cheaper than staying in a hotel, and it gives you more space and privacy. Tip number 4. Use public transportation. This is not only cheaper than renting a car, it also allows you to explore the local culture and neighborhoods. Tip number 5. Plan a staycation. Explore your own city or nearby towns and save on accommodation and transportation costs. Tip number 6. Look for free activities. Check out the local tourism board or online travel blogs for free things to do, such as visiting museums or parks. Tip number 7. Pack your own food. Bring snacks and meals to save on dining expenses, or even better, stay in a vacation rental with a kitchen to prepare your own meals. Tip number 8. Use travel rewards or loyalty programs. Accumulate travel points by using travel credit cards or staying at the same hotel chain, and redeem them for discounts or free stays. Tip number 9. Travel during the off-season. This is when prices are lower, and there are fewer crowds, but still plenty of activities to enjoy. Tip number 10. Shop around for the best deals. Before booking, compare prices on different travel agency websites, airlines, and hotels to make sure you're getting the best deal. By implementing these tips, you can save money on your next vacation without sacrificing the fun and adventure. We hope these tips can make your trip more enjoyable and budget-friendly. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.